Are your Cool File Viewer localized resources apps crashing due to the Cool File Viewer Resources DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm going to diagnose that error and fix it now. Before starting the manual troubleshooting for Cool File Viewer resources, you can access a utility to help standardize your system references. This is the Cool File Viewer Resources, the localized resource library for the Cool File Viewer, or similar generic multi-format viewers. It houses the UI strings for opening 300+ file formats. If missing, the application will display generic error codes or a blank UI during file type detection. Now that you're up to speed on the files role, let's begin the repair process. Cool File Viewer Resources is required for Cool File Viewer localized resources to function properly. Downloading and reinstalling the current official version of Cool File Viewer localized resources will repair missing or broken application files. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes reestablish a broken link to the Cool File Viewer resources file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. If the software remains unresponsive after the reboot, we'll transition to manual environment synchronization. Feel free to pause the video during the sync process. A restart won't fix broken performance counters, so we'll use step 3 to force a rebuild of those links. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type locktr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance counters often fail due to registry hive inconsistencies. By wiping and rebuilding these entries, we ensure the system can properly recognize and load the diagnostic library again. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. It is critical to avoid the manual installation of Cool File Viewer Resources DLL unless you are following a verified engineering protocol, as a single directory error can prevent your OS from booting and result in significant data loss. As an alternative to frequent manual checks, a secure maintenance utility can help keep your system environment on track. If manual fixes haven't helped, the resource below offers general information about optimization software related to Cool File Viewer resources. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Cool File Viewer resources dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.